Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Social Studies class, Pakistan School, Muscat. Dear children, we are studying lesson number 2, Our Country. Today is Monday, 10th of May, and I am your teacher, Ms. Shazia Safdar. Dear students, as you know, through this lesson, we have visited many places of Pakistan. Today, let's travel to the province Sindh. Sindh, the third largest province. Sindh is the third largest province of Pakistan by area and second largest province by population after Punjab. The local people of Sindh speak Sindhi language. The capital city of Sindh. Karachi. The capital city of Sindh is among the big cities of the world. Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan. The landscape of Sindh. Sindh has mostly alluvial plains around the Indus River. The third desert is in the eastern portion of the province, which is the closest to the border with India. There are Kirthar mountains in the western part of Sindh. Supports the economy of Pakistan. Sindh has Pakistan's second largest economy. Its provincial capital, Karachi, is Pakistan's largest city and the financial center because there are the headquarters of several multinational banks. Agriculture-based economy. Like Punjab, the province Sindh also stands on agriculture. It grows fruits, grains and vegetables to fulfill the needs of the other parts of the country. Sindh is famous for its dates, mangoes and bananas. Farmers grow cotton and sugarcane too. The industrial hub of Pakistan. Sindh has a large industrial sector of Pakistan. It has many industries where cars, machinery, textiles and garments are manufactured. Sindh is also famous for pottery, leatherwork, carpets, etc. Sufism. Sindh has strong effects of Sufism. Several important Sufi shrines are located throughout the province, which attract both Hindus and Muslims. In Pakistan, most of Hindus live in Sindh. Rich culture. Sindh is known for its beautiful culture. Following are some of the pictures of Sindhi people wearing their local dresses. Coastal area and seaports. The large coastline of Sindh has large mangrove forest, which is home to many kinds of marine life. Two big seaports, Port Bin Qasim and the Karachi port of Sindh, located in Karachi, play an important role in Pakistan's economy. Historical sites. There are some important historical and archaeological places in Sindh like Mohenjo-daro, Ranikot Fort, Chaukundi Tombs, Shah Jahan Mosque in Thatta, etc. Dear children, in today's lesson we have come to know that Sindh is also a very important province of Pakistan. We'll study about the province KPK in the next class. Thank you children for watching. Take care.